Okay, we got a flight tickets. So, Boxo, do you really want to go to the city? Congratulations! Good for you. Yeah. Okay, I got a flight ticket, so yeah, it's for you and for me. Hmm. Say, if you are hungry, you can just wait. I thought you were a vending machine. I thought you were a human. Oh well, you're just a vending machine. So you got food. If I get food, then I have to get something for you. From you. Huh.
Well, that's pretty much of a pep talk. So, what do I should do? Let me see my status. Nothing much. Okay. Well, I guess I have to go to that city for the flight tickets.
So if we go on a flight, Boxo, we should probably go to that building over here and go to this restaurant and then we'll go to anywhere. Am I right? What's that city you say? Uh, hmm. The city is called Ptaro. Ptaro. Ptaro, right? Congratulations. Good that name. Ptaro, right? Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think I see.
Hmm. Yeah. Ptaro is the city, huh? Do you want to get something for food? Nah, you're a vending machine. I'll take it. I'll go get something. Could you at least give me those lace stacks, please? Thank you very much. Now I can eat it somehow.
Lay's stacks chips? Whoa. I never knew this is involvement like this. Okay. My status is really good. So I got Lay's stacks chips. Okay.
I feel like it. Tomorrow's Sunday. I think I should just go to go to that place here. Yeah. I'll just stay here and just have it all the time. Yeah.
Oh, good for me. I never not thought of it.